Hello viewers and welcome back to Knowhow. If you constantly feel muscle twitches, troubled sleep, constipation, and signs of depression, then there may be a chance you are suffering from magnesium deficiency. So, in this video, we are going to share what are the symptoms of magnesium deficiency in human body. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. 1. Muscle twitches and cramps. Do you often suffer from muscle twitches and cramps? Well, in most of the cases, magnesium deficiency is the reason behind these unwanted sudden cramps. Since magnesium plays a role in neuromuscular transmission and muscle contraction, it has been hypothesized that magnesium deficiency predisposes to muscle cramps. Scientists also believe that this symptom is caused by a greater flow of calcium into nerve cells, which overexcites or hyperstimulates the muscle nerves. And that's the reason why magnesium supplements are often recommended to prevent cramps. Along with magnesium, calcium and vitamin D deficiency can also cause muscle twitches and cramps. So if you suffer from such cramps, try adding a magnesium supplement to your daily diet, and you'll be amazed to see how the pain lessens. 2. Sugar craving. If you have excessive craving for sugar, magnesium deficiency can be the reason behind it. Here's how it works. Magnesium regulates glucose and insulin levels, as well as the neurotransmitter dopamine. A deficiency will cause spike in insulin levels, causing intense sugar cravings, especially for chocolate. Luckily, this deficiency will be fulfilled because most sweets, especially chocolates, are high in magnesium. You'll eat more sweets and that'll bring your magnesium levels to normal. But for diabetics, this can prove to be life-threatening. So if you are diabetic and having sugar craving despite its maintaining your insulin dosage and sugar levels, magnesium deficiency might be real cause for your problem. 3. Troubled sleep and insomnia. Not having enough magnesium in your system can cause troubled sleep and even insomnia. Studies in mice have shown that optimal levels of magnesium are needed for sound sleep, and that both high and low levels can cause sleep problems. In fact, insomnia is a common symptom of magnesium deficiency. People with low magnesium often experience restless sleep and wake up frequently during the night. This leads to decreased energy levels during the day and a feeling of tiredness. According to studies, maintaining healthy magnesium levels lead to deeper, more sound sleep. But if you are thinking of adding a magnesium supplement to your diet, think again, because high levels of magnesium also interfere with sleep. So instead of adding supplements to your diet, visiting your doctor would be the best choice if you are suffering from insomnia. 4. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a condition marked by brittle bones and a higher risk of fractures. The risk of developing osteoporosis is influenced by a variety of factors. These include aging, a lack of exercise, and a lack of vitamin D and K in the diet. Magnesium deficiency, it turns out, is also a risk factor for osteoporosis. Deficiency weakens bones directly, but it also decreases calcium levels in the blood, which is the main component of bones. Dietary magnesium deficiency causes decreased bone mass in rats, according to research. Despite the fact that no human trials have been conducted, studies have linked low magnesium intake to lower bone mineral density. 5. Fatigue and muscle weakness. Another symptom of magnesium deficiency is fatigue, which is described as physical or mental exhaustion or weakness. It's important to remember that everyone gets tired from time to time. It usually just means you need to relax. Extreme or persistent exhaustion, on the other hand, may indicate a health issue. Since exhaustion is a non-specific symptom, it's difficult to pinpoint the origin unless it's followed by other signs and symptoms. Muscle fatigue, also known as myasthenia, is another more specific symptom of magnesium deficiency. The lack of potassium in muscle cells, which is linked to magnesium deficiency, is thought to be the cause of the weakness, according to scientists. Therefore, magnesium deficiency is one possible cause of fatigue or weakness. 6. High blood pressure. Magnesium deficiency raises blood pressure, according to a report conducted by French researchers. Other observational studies conducted by English and American scientists linked low magnesium levels to elevated blood pressure. As you might know, high blood pressure increases the risk of developing heart disease. Thankfully, there are several natural ways to deal with this issue, such as exercising regularly, consuming less alcohol and caffeine, and not smoking. A potassium-rich diet may also help. However, the only way to resolve this issue is to see the doctor, who will determine what caused the increase in blood pressure and assist you in safely returning to a healthier state. 7. Asthma. Magnesium deficiency can occur in people who have serious asthma. Furthermore, persons with asthma have lower magnesium levels than those who do not have the disease. Researchers conclude that a lack of magnesium causes calcium to build up in the muscles that line the lungs' airways. As a result, the airway narrow and breathing becomes more difficult. People with extreme asthma are sometimes given a magnesium sulfate inhaler to help calm and widen their airways. Injections are the recommended mode of delivery for those with life-threatening symptoms. The evidence for the efficacy of dietary magnesium supplements in people with asthma, on the other hand, is mixed. In summary, scientists suspect that extreme asthma could be a symptom of magnesium deficiency in certain individuals, but further research is required to confirm this. 8. Constipation. Constipation may be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, a lack of fiber, and, of course, magnesium deficiency. Magnesium has a relaxing effect on many parts of the body, including the digestive tract, so if the system is deficient in this mineral, the intestines will not function properly, resulting in constipation. 9. Mental health disorders. Another potential side effect of magnesium deficiency is mental health problems. Apathy, for example, is characterized by mental numbness or a lack of emotion. Deficiency can worsen to the point of delirium and coma. Low magnesium levels have also been linked to an increased risk of depression in observational studies. Magnesium deficiency has also been proposed as a cause of anxiety, although there is no direct evidence to support this theory. Magnesium supplements can help a subset of people with anxiety disorders, according to one study, but the evidence is of poor quality. Before any conclusions can be drawn, higher quality research is needed. In short, it seems that a lack of magnesium may cause nerve dysfunction and promote mental health conditions in some people. 10. Headaches. If you're deficient in vitamins B, C, or D, it can trigger frequent headaches that usually affect just one side of your head depending on the vitamin you're missing, but if you're deficient in magnesium, the condition may be much worse because it can cause severe migraines. When your magnesium levels are low, the blood vessels in your brain narrow and expand rapidly, causing extreme pain. 11. Stress and apathy. We all have days where we feel so exhausted that we just want to stay in bed all day, but if this feeling persists, you could have a problem, and it may be related to your magnesium levels. Magnesium is responsible for building a strong nervous system and helping you relax, so a lack of it equals anxiety and constant stress, and this is exactly what insufficient magnesium equals. 12. Irregular heartbeat. One of the most severe signs of magnesium deficiency is heart arrhythmia, or irregular heartbeat. In most cases, arrhythmia symptoms are minor. It also exhibits no symptoms at all. It can, however, trigger heart palpitations in some people, which are delays between heartbeats. Lightheadedness, shortness of breath, chest pain, and fainting are all potential signs of arrhythmia. Arrhythmia can increase the risk of stroke or heart failure in the most serious cases. Scientists agree that an excess of potassium levels inside and outside heart muscle cells, which is linked to magnesium deficiency, is to blame. Magnesium levels have been shown to be lower in people with congestive heart failure and arrhythmia than in people who do not have the disease. Magnesium injections greatly increase the heart function of those who receive them. Magnesium supplements can also help certain people with arrhythmia feel better. 13. Acid reflux. According to Dr. Melissa Glover, magnesium prevents the passage of food and stomach acid through the esophagus, but if the system is deficient in magnesium, this mechanism reverses, causing acid to reach the esophagus, resulting in a burning feeling known as acid reflux or heartburn. If this sounds like your current situation, you should definitely see a doctor to get it checked out and follow their advice. So these are the most common symptoms of a magnesium deficiency. If you are facing some of these symptoms, then you can probably see a doctor and find out what's wrong. If it's really a lack of magnesium, you can solve the issue by improving your diet. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.